What if I told you that time, as you know it, might be an illusion? That the steady tick-tock of the clock, the flow from past to present to future, isn't how the universe actually works? Instead, what if everything that has ever happened is happening now, and it already exists, all at once? It sounds like science fiction, but stick with me, because this is where modern physics is taking us. We all experience time as a river, flowing in one direction. We remember the past, live in the present, and anticipate the future. But what if that's just our human perception? What if we're not moving through time, but rather, our consciousness is just experiencing slices of a pre-existing whole? Let's start with something Einstein showed us over a century ago. Time is not constant, it's relative. Two things can warp time: speed and gravity. If you were to hop on a spaceship and travel near the speed of light, time for you would slow down. Compared to someone on Earth, when you returned, you'd be younger than your friends. This isn't a theory, it's a proven fact. Astronauts on the International Space Station age just a tiny bit slower than we do because of their high speed and the slightly weaker gravity. Speaking of gravity, it also bends time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time possible. GPS satellites have to account for this. Their clocks run slightly faster in orbit than our clocks on the ground because they experience less of Earth's gravity. Without adjusting for this time difference, your GPS would be off by several miles every single day. So, time isn't this universal, unchanging thing. It's flexible, and its pace depends on where you are and how fast you're moving. This brings us to a mind-bending concept called the block universe theory. Imagine all of time from the Big Bang to the very end of the universe as a single, four-dimensional block of spacetime. In T's block, the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. They are just different locations within this block, like different places on a map. The dinosaurs aren't gone. They're just in a different part of the space-time block. Your future self is already out there, in another part of the block. According to this view, our feeling that time is flowing is just a trick of our consciousness. We are like a spotlight moving along a film reel. The whole movie, past, present, and future, is already there on the reel. But our awareness only illuminates one frame at a time, creating the illusion of movement and progression. We feel like we're moving from one moment to the next. But in reality, all moments are equally real and coexisting. So why does it feel like time only moves forward? Why can we remember the past, but not the future? This is known as the arrow of time, and it's one of the biggest mysteries in physics. One popular explanation is entropy, which is the idea that things in the universe tend to move from a state of order to a state of disorder. But a scrambled egg won't unscramble itself. A cup of hot coffee cools down, but a cool cup of coffee won't spontaneously heat up. Our universe started in a very low entropy, highly ordered state at the Big Bang, and it's been getting more disordered ever since. Some physicists believe our perception of time's forward flow is directly linked to this unstoppable increase in entropy. Our brains process information in a way that reflects this universal trend toward disorder, creating our experience of a past that is fixed and a future that is open. But if the future already exists, does that mean we have no free will? Is everything predetermined? This is where physics bumps up against philosophy. The block universe theory doesn't necessarily mean our choices don't matter. It could be that our choices and actions are part of the fabric of the space-time block itself. Your decision to watch this video was always a part of the block, just as much as the Big Bang was. You still made the choice. But from a higher dimensional perspective, that choice was an eternal part of the universe's structure. Think about it. Our entire existence, every laugh, every tear, every discovery, might be an eternal, unchanging feature of a grand cosmic tapestry. We are not just fleeting moments passing by. We're truly tied to space-time, right? We are not so much moving through time as we are part of time. This completely reframes our place in the cosmos. It suggests that every moment is infinitely precious because, in a way, every moment is forever. So, the next time you look at a clock, remember what it might really represent. Not a measure of something that is passing us by, but a coordinate for our current location in the magnificent, mysterious, and mind-bending block of space-time. What do you think? Is time a river? Or is it a frozen ocean of moments that we just happen to be sailing through? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the nature of reality, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest questions in science. Thanks for watching.